Magandang araw mga kapitik. Ayan, ako ay lalabas ngayon. Kung maalala nyo yung aking previous upload ay napunta ako sa press con ng SB19. At ngayon naman ay ang araw ng concert. Tinihintay ko lamang si Kuya Jeff at kami ay pupunta na. So tara po, samahan niyo po kami at panoorin natin na sabay-sabay ang concert ng SB19.
A few moments later.
Kaya right now nandito na tayo sa venue kung saan gaganapin ang concert ng SB19 at nakikita nyo marami na pumapasok na tao. So tara, samahan nyo po ako at panoorin nyo po kung ano yung mga mangyayari sa vlog na to.
Enjoy sir, enjoy. VIP. Beyonce. I know you know this one. Hope you enjoyed that, 18. Once again, for everyone's safety and enjoyment, please take note of the following concert reminders. Unauthorized recording or live streaming of the entire concert is strictly prohibited. The use of tripods, monopods, and selfie sticks inside the VIP area is not allowed, as it may obstruct the view of fellow concert goers. Throwing of any items toward the stage or into the crowd is strictly prohibited. Please do not push or shove other concert goers. Let us observe proper concert etiquette at all times. Violators may be escorted out of the premises. Viewer advisory. This show contains strobe lights, fast-moving imagery, and special effects that may cause discomfort to some viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Oo nga. Pag dito sa likod, wala. Doon niya, sa gitna. Ganun nangyari sa ES doon eh. Puno yan, o kaya dito muna sa likod.
for sure. But before anything else, we will introduce ourselves.
Marhaba Doha! Ako nga pala si Pablo, let's go! Marhaba Doha! Ako nga po pala si Josh!
Marhaba Doha, it's your boy Stel.
What's up Doha? It's Phil. What's up Doha? This is Justin. And here we are. SBIC! Yo! Ingay pa nga. Doha! Ano yun? First time kami dito sa Doha eh. Sobrang excited kami mag-perform. Excited ba kayo? More energy! More energy! Di ba umaabot? Kunti-kunti pa. Marhaba Doha!
Masyado niyo namang nire-reserve yung energy niyo.
Hindi pero kasi grabe talaga yung support ng mga Doha. Kasi diba siyempre, kaya ano ang side dumating ng airport? Let's go. Two. Pagdating namin, nandun kayo nakasalubong. Diba? Tapos, kahapon sa press ko, nandun din kayo. Hindi pala ko na $18.
Alright. Actually guys, we were very happy to be here. It's the first time to perform here, right? And we are very overwhelmed with your support. Are you guys really happy to see us today? Are you guys really reserving your energy? No? Can I hear your energy one more time? That's what I'm talking about. Tulad nga na sinabi namin, we are very excited since this is our first show here in Doha. We are expecting a lot of energy from you guys. Maybe Ken, you want to call? You want to call for a section? You want to try it? You want to start? Okay, I will start. Make some noise, VVIP area! Oh, ayaw magpatalo. Isa pa, VVIP area! Woo! Top that.
How about the VIPs?
Whoa!
Let's
We have
go.
a competition here. We have a competition. No!
Panghabaan pala ito.
Ayaw magpa... Okay, isa pa. VVIP area! Tawagin mo ulit yan, tawagin mo.
VIP! Let's go!
Next.
Ano, gusto mo subukan natin yung Gold Area! Ay, banana din, ay banana. What about the Bronze Area? Paano naman yung mga standing? Standing regular!
Paano naman kung tawagin natin? ATV Sumner! Woo! Yan ang energy talaga. First time, no? First time? Kami rin. First time rin namin.
Yes, grabe yung energy. Grabe yung lahat ng excitement na nadarama namin. We are actually super excited when we were about to go to Doha. Nung narinig namin nung first time na sinabi sa amin, sabi namin, finally, makakapag-perform na kami sa mga tao na nandito. So, we just want to tell you guys na we want to remind you of the home, syempre. Alam namin malayo kayo sa Pilipinas. At tonight, I hope you guys find the happiness, the comfort, and peace sa music namin. So, let's try again one more time. Doha, make some noise! That's the energy.
Doha, this is
simula at wakas! Let's go.
At dahil nagpapasalamat na rin tayo, of course, hindi natin pwede kalimutan the people behind this successful show. Of course, to our baby, Onesie Entertainment. Thank you so much, Onesie Entertainment. And of course, hindi natin pwede kalimutan Live Nation Philippines. Thank you so much! Thank you so much. And last but not the least, of course, Kabayan Radio 94.3. Thank you so much for supporting SB19, for promoting the show. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Hindi po mangyayari ito kung hindi dahil sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat po. At syempre, meron ding Qatar Calendar at Papa John's Pizza and our official hotel partner, the Westin Doha Hotel and Spa. At syempre, ang official mall partner, Mall of Qatar.
Thank you so much.
Siyempre, maraming salamat din po to our local sponsors, Dairy Queen, Baladna, Alsafa Polyclinic, Safety Rent a Car, and also our official airline partner, Philippine Airlines.
Thank you.
Kasama sa pagbutad.
Siyempre, we'd also like to thank our music label, Sony Music Entertainment. Thank you so much, Sony.
And today, we are wrapping up our concert sa Middle East. And we just want to say thank you so much sa inyong lahat po. Thank you so much, 18, sa pag-show ng support from the very beginning. And of course, we only have a few months para sa Bangkok, Thailand. And sa kung sino man gusto pumunta sa Bangkok, Thailand, alam ko malayo, but you know, nothing is impossible sa lahat, sa inyo. That's why, minsan naisip ko, paano nakapunta itong mga to doon? Ang layo. But, you know, you guys are dedicated, that's why, sobrang thankful. Sobrang thankful namin sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. And, sa mga Thailand pala, sa Central World 8th floor, and tickets are still available at Live Nation. .co.th. So Oceana, we're coming. And yeah, Oceana, we're coming to you this December. If you're from Melbourne, Sydney, Auckland, and Perth, see you soon.
And before anything else, of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Ambassador Melicor. Thank you so much for coming here tonight. Guys, palakpakan naman natin si Ambassador Melicor for coming here tonight. We're very happy. And yesterday kasama po namin sila sa unveiling ng Centro Rizal dito po sa Qatar. Kaya maraming salamat po for coming tonight. And yes, marami pa tayong requests. 18, ready ba kayo sa mga requests namin? Feeling ko pinaghandaan nyo to, 18. Ready ba kayo? May energy ba, 18? Ready na ba? Okay, pwede ba kayong maka-request ng isang dungka sa inyo? Okay. Is everyone ready?
Okay lang, hindi nyo kami for another beat. Let's go! Basta sumayaw lang kayo.
Everyone stand up! Stand up!
Let's go!
If you don't know the choreography, it's fine. But you can look at me and just follow me, okay? Look at me and follow me. Ready? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
During mga top talagang sa mga kapag na tinaas, yung happy birthday, Joy. Sobrang salamat. Ayun, celebrate natin ngayon. Siyempre, bukod sa mga bata, nagsisilbi ba ba? Ito nagsilbi ba ba yung ito? Alam mo ikaw? Siyempre, nagsilbi bata. Si Kuya Josh. Kaya naman katahan natin! Si Kuya Josh na! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Kuya Joshi. Happy birthday to you.
Nandito na naman tayo.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Siyempre, paguri na namin kayo, di ba? Since you guys are all standing up already, can we have the Blue Ocean Wave together?
Put your light sticks up.
You can actually put your flashlights up instead if you don't have the light stick. Tago nyo muna lahat. Yan. Tago nyo muna pero buksan nyo na ha.
Hide it.
Okay? In the count of 3, mula front, palikod. And then, opposite. Okay?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, labas!
Sabay nyo na sigaw! One more time! One more time! Mas malakas! One more time! Isa pa! Ay! 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 Ayaw tumigil! Dumami! Sandal! Ayun!
Let's go!
Grabe! Grabe yung energy nyo, parang opening pala.
Kaya pala sila nag-reserve.
Oo eh. Anong energy meron kayo dito?
Well, ano lang, sobrang memorable lang po nitong gabi na, no? Just very thankful to everyone who came here. It's our first time here, but you guys really welcomed us with your warm cheers, syempre your warm efforts, at lahat po talaga nakikita namin yung mga saya at sobrang nakakatuwa po. Personally, parang nakaka-inspire po syempre dahil sa mga nakikita naming smash from you guys. Gusto namin na syempre sa susunod na bumalik kami dito, mas malaki naman po yung venue. But, thank you guys for making this night an unforgettable night.
Kaya naman, dahil kanina kulang ng A, hahanapin natin yung A. SLMT 18!
Ako'y Thank you so much, AT. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for the banners. Thank you for the fan project. Maraming salamat po, 18. The best kayo. 18 Qatar, we love you so much.
Mahal po namin kayo. This is our home. This is our show. This has been
SB19!
Once again,
Thank you so
much.
We love you.
SB19!
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Paul, ano masasabi mo? Sabi ko dito, doon ka. Hindi nag-doon eh. Oh, ano yan? Triple A, CD. Anong ibig sabihin yan?
Ako ay VIP pala.
Ah. At ayan mga kapitlik, right now ako ay nakauwi na, siyempre. Nakita nyo naman ang aking background. Nandito na ulit ako sa aking crib. At yun no, it was fun. Medyo nakakapagod lang kasi siyempre all throughout ng concert ay paikot-ikot ako doon sa venue kasi nga yung access na meron tayo is all access, so naiikot ko yung buong concert venue para mag observe din. So basically ang function ko doon sa concert ay kagaya dapat ng function ko kahapon doon sa press conference, which is yun din yung sinabi ko doon sa aking previous upload, ano? However, nagkaroon ng minor changes sa program kanina. May mga tinanggal na part doon sa contact. Nag-decide ang SB production team na i-take over lahat ng related sa concert at pati yung mga marketing materials ay sila na lang ang nag-show. So, yung aming role ay napagaan dahil nabigyan kami ng access para manood na lang din. At thankfully naman dahil dinala ko yung aking camera at pinayagan naman tayo nung ating kaibigan dyan sa Kabayan Radio dahil gusto ko rin naman makapag take ng pictures doon sa artist kahit paano. At yun, at yun nga yung ginawa ko, nag-take pictures ako and then nag-video na lang din ako all throughout ng concert at in-enjoy ko na lang, although hindi naman ako fan ng SB19. Ayan pasensya na sa mga avid fan ng SB19. So medyo ano kasi siya younger generation, akala ko pang younger generation kasi hindi ko naman siya narinig. madalas. At ayun, nakakatuwa lang din dahil bongga yung concert. At yung napanood nyo ay short clips lang doon sa kaganapan sa buong concert. However, expect nyo na mag-upload ako ng longer videos. At maaaring isa sa mga video na yan ay ang paborito nyo palang kanta ng SB19. At I hope na panoorin nyo pa rin. At ayun, syempre gusto ko magpasalamat sa kaibigan natin dyan sa Kabayan Radio, sa ating mga kaibigan sa production, even sa mga media na nandoon sa concert. Medyo marami din akong nakita ng mga familiar faces kasi nga nung concert ng Eraserheads dito sa Qatar ay part din tayo doon sa production team, no? At yun, at itong concert na to ay history na rin. At nagpapasalamat ako dahil naging part tayo ng history na yun. At syempre sa inyo rin, maraming salamat dahil sinubaybayan nyo ang vlog natin at nakarating kayo sa part na ito ng ating video. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo at nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. At kung nagustuhan nyo, syempre make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet. I-hit nyo na rin yung notification bell para naman na ma-update kayo every time na meron tayong new uploads. And I will see you in my next video. Peace.